Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 Pro, replacing iPhone 13 Pro loudspeaker. Let's get started. At first, we disassembled the display module. Now removing loudspeaker module from motherboard. This is the new one. Now placing it to motherboard. Attaching necessary screw and display module. Now it's time to check. And that's it. You've successfully replaced iPhone 13 Pro main speaker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below.